The primary function of language is to convey information, and being the most important medium of human communication, it can also be a means for expressing cultural identity. On Earth, however, immense bodies of water separate land masses, which gave rise to a multitude of languages that have been cultivated by their human inhabitants. One country in particular that is linguistically diverse is the Philippines. Consisting of about 7,641 islands, the archipelagic country has an estimated 182 languages, composed mostly of local dialects. The growing influence of globalization, however, has been prompting the Philippine government to adopt a single unifying language, with the English language being one of the more prominent languages for globalization, already well established in the country. Debates have thus transpired between Filipinos that advocate for the preservation of the Philippines' diverse cultural heritage and Filipinos that plead for the establishment of a singular language that would promote societal inclusion over seclusion. Multilingual communication in the Philippines is treading a thin line between the promotion of inclusivity and exclusivity, whereas it can be argued that integrating diverse languages into the daily lives of Filipinos can make them more connected to one another, while also allowing for the preservation of cultural identities. Multilingualism itself can give rise to biased behaviors towards certain, often minor cultural groups. In an interview with CNN Philippines, volunteer teacher Gladys Kulisan, a native speaker of an indigenous language called Eta Magbugun, recalled how she and her friends were treated condescendingly by Filipinos that neither spoke nor understood their native language. On that particular account, it can be surmised that instances of exploitation and discrimination toward users of minor languages can be uprooted by establishing a single unifying language. At the end of the day, language is a mere tool that is of no use to a single person. It requires two users or two Filipinos who only together could wield it. Language is also evolving with the needs of its users. Whereas in the past, our ancestors were separated geographically all around the earth, we have now grown to be significantly more connected, necessitating the development of a unifying language so that we can truly get to know and look after one another.